Welcome to Dr. Shaurav's classes, everyone. Today we will solve an excellent question from the Engineering Services Civil Engineering Paper 2 2026 examination. And basically, this question is a very nice question because it combines the environmental engineering, sustainability, and construction management. So let's begin. First, before writing anything, always understand what the examiner wants. The keywords are like construction and demolition, okay, uh, beneficial utilization, 5 uses, and brief explanation. So we should not discuss the waste disposal methods. Instead, we must explain how this waste can be reused productively. Okay. Now, what is construction and demolition waste? Construction and demolition waste includes the materials generated during the construction, renovation, repair, or demolition of the buildings and infrastructure. Examples are like broken concrete, bricks, tiles, steel, wood, glass, all these things. Okay. And instead of sending these materials to landfills, civil engineers are basically recycling and reusing them. Okay. Now, first, recycled aggregate for concrete. We will discuss about it. Look, crushed concrete and masonry can be processed into recycled aggregates, and these aggregates are used in the non-structural concrete, pavements, and the precast products, reducing the demand for the natural stone aggregates. Okay, so first point will be recycled aggregate. Now, the second, road base and sub base material. Crushed construction waste is widely used as the base and the sub-base layers in the highways and the rural roads, and it provides the adequate strength while significantly lowering the construction costs. Okay, and this is probably the most common application asked in the competitive examinations. Third, that is land filling and site leveling. Processed construction debris can be used as filling material for the low-lying areas, embankments, and site development, and it helps in the ground leveling while minimizing the disposal waste. Okay. Fourth, this is manufacturing of building products. Construction waste can be recycled into productions such as the paving blocks, curved stones, concrete blocks, bricks, and tiles. So this promotes the sustainable construction and reduces the consumption of virgin raw materials. Okay. Fifth, that is embankments and backfilling. Crushed concrete and brick fragments are used for the backfilling behind the retaining walls, pipe trenches, and the highway embankments, and they provide good drainage and reduce the requirement of the fresh earth material. Okay, so remember the 3R principle because UPSC loves the conceptual question. 3R is what? That is the reduce, like minimizing the waste generation, a reuse, that is the use the materials again without the major processing, and recycle, like convert waste into the new construction materials. And construction and demolition waste management mainly focuses on the reuse and the recycle. Okay. Now, In India, the construction and demolition waste management is encouraged through the Construction and Demolition Waste Management Rules 2016, which promote the segregation, recycling, and the scientific utilization of C&D waste. And mentioning this in a descriptive answer can earn extra credit. So remember all the points of this. Okay. So students, today's question teaches us an important lesson. In the modern civil engineering, waste is not merely something to be discarded. It is a valuable resource, and sustainable construction is about converting today's waste into tomorrow's infrastructure. So if you present your answer with these 5 applications and brief explanations and one value-added point on the C&D waste management rules, your answer will stand out in the ESE examination. Okay, so that's how you can present your answer in your paper. So that's all I have to say for this question. See you in the next session.